Turn your VTuber into an action star through the power of animation and Blender. Hey guys, I'm 3D Animator Vensen, and I'm here to guide you through creating a complete fight scene through choreography, animation, and effects. We have to start by making a solid plan. You'll decide the who, what, when, how, and why to set the framework for the project ahead. Going beyond just plain animation, we'll be choreographing an entire action sequence to ensure the motion stays clear but exciting. Let's maximize visual and emotional impact through sound design and visual effects like bloom, blur, and impact frames. From planning your sequence to animating in Blender, this class will teach you all you need to turn your VTuber or any character into an action star. I'm Vensen, a 3D animator, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.